Takot guys. Ano sa butang dati. Lord, ano nangyari sa kanila? My God. Is that right? Did I get it right? Why so people like them are doing that? My. Good morning, Jingers. Baka nabigla kayo kung nasaan ako. I am in San Miguel Church, Iloilo City. I paid a visit. But fortunately and unfortunately, we witnessed a gift of tongue. Pwede ko kaya itong i-vlog? With so much respect. Hindi ako makafocus, kaya let's go out na lang. I will be back later. Hindi ako makafocus. My goodness. Grabe no, ang gift of tongue, and then yung worship nila is nagiging tawag nito, parang nagiging fanatic sila in a way na ayoko mag-judge and then ayoko din say something negative, but pero may but. Medyo na off ako doon. Off in the sense na nabigla ako guys. I need a place na kalma. I need a place na maka contemplate, meditate, just be yourself lang ba. Pero sa tingin ninyo, ano masasabi? Speechless ako. Ay. Upo muna tayo. I will go there at Queen Bank ATM. Upo muna tayo. Water. And then my journal. This is my journal. World Mission Sunday.